today I'm reviewing the Ordinary Resveratrol and Ferulic Acid Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money, and I will never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com or click on the Amazon link below. So this is a product from The Ordinary I've been using off and on for quite a while, and I've been meaning to review it because I've been asked about it by a lot of subscribers. So finally getting a chance to review it. I'm trying to review most of my products I have from The Ordinary just to get them out there and help you guys choose which products you should pick up from them. So The Ordinary describes this as a water-free, high-potency antioxidant formula with 3% resveratrol and 3% ferulic acid, which are both of those are great antioxidants. Resveratrol is kind of a newer trending one, which is starting to show up in more and more products. And The Ordinary is kind of ahead of their time with a lot of their products. So they kind of have a tendency to pick things that will be trendy or more sold. So on to my criteria. My first criteria is packaging. And obviously we've got The Ordinary, the dropper bottle, the UV protectant dropper bottle, which is even better. So no issues with that still. Not a huge fan of dropper bottles. I've said it a million times. I'm not going to bore you with that. My second criteria is alcohol in this product only contains 3 ingredients: Propandiol, resveratrol, and then ferulic acid. 3 ingredients, that's it. No water, no nothing else. So I won't pH test this one because you can't pH test things that don't have water in them. So, or I'm sure you can, but I haven't figured out how to do it yet. So I'll work on that. My third criteria is fragrance. Again, 3 ingredients, no fragrance, no alcohol. Great. Manufacturing location is in Canada, so no issues with that. Ease of use. So very easy to apply. It's definitely an oil-based serum. Lincoln, come here. Lincoln's making a brief appearance. Lincoln, you smell the wine? Okay. Goodbye. He's got a very short attention span, so anyway. So very oily textured serum, no water in it. So if you tend to have oilier skin, you might prefer using this in the evening time. It does, once you apply it, does take several minutes to really absorb into skin. I tend to use this serum only in the evening because in the morning I already have vitamin C serums. A lot of those can be oil-based. So I don't need another oil serum, but this one definitely tends to work better for me in the evening. Does feel a bit heavy, so especially if you use a lot of other skincare products. And The Ordinary does mention with this that it can be mixed with some of their other vitamin C products, such as their 23% vitamin C suspension or their 30% silicone suspension. So it's worth looking at and perhaps mixing into your vitamin C serum, making it even more of a robust, beneficial ingredient product. So very easy to use, no issues with that. Antioxidants, again, there's 3 ingredients in here. So let me start with the first ingredient, which is the Propandiol. It's an ingredient that improves and provides hydration to skin. It's also, you'll see it in almost everything. It's kind of tends to be a slip or a filler ingredient, but it's definitely not bad for skin, and it can be very good for skin. Then we've got the resveratrol, which is an ingredient that is acclaimed from wine to help keep people healthy. Helps with heart disease. It's possibly been mentioned that it might be helpful in preventing cancer or treating cancer, and I don't want to talk too much else about that because I'm not a scientist. So let's see, let's talk a little bit more about that. So trans resveratrol or E-resveratrol is a natural component of red wine, abundant in the skin of grapes, but not in the flesh of grapes. So let's see, in leaf epidermis, and it can be present in wines, especially red wines. There's a lot of experiments showing that it's got a high number of biological actives, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, platelet, and anti-carcinogenic properties. So definitely a lot of these are mentioned like from drinking it, but also you can get some great benefits from applying it topically. So can help fight environmental damage, help calm skin, fight redness, help fight inflammation. So not bad to have in your skincare routine, obviously, or to drink a little bit of red wine, I guess. So Then we've got ferulic acid in there. That's the third ingredient. And good antioxidant, helps in fight environmental stressors, pollution, free radicals. Ferulic acid has a protective role for the main skin structures as well as carotenoids, fibroblasts, collagen and elastin, photoprotective agent, a layer of skin photoaging process, and a brightening component. Nonetheless, its use is limited by its tendency to rapidly oxidize. Definitely these are two great ingredients that they've included in here, but also be sure to use this with a well-rounded skincare routine that includes a lot of other antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, beneficial ingredients, hydrating ingredients. So a lot of people also have asked, is ferulic acid a must in a vitamin C serum? And you absolutely don't have to have it in a vitamin C serum, but if you like a vitamin C serum that has ferulic acid, it's even better for your skin. So, or you can add this and apply it before your vitamin C serum. So absolutely no issues at all. Great antioxidants. If they're going to pick three, they picked three good ones. So animal testing. This product is cruelty-free as well as vegan. I think everything I've reviewed this week has been cruelty-free and vegan, so love that. Performance definitely does a nice job hydrating skin, especially if you have drier skin. You'll probably like the texture of this a little bit more than those with oily skin. Moderately hydrating definitely works better for me in my evening routine. Skin definitely does look more plump, more supple, more bright after using this for several weeks. So, and it definitely takes a while to absorb. It's definitely got that oil texture, which is for me why I use it in the evening. Okay, my 9th criteria is price, and this is the full size, which is 1 ounce, and it retails for $7.90. So you get 2 beneficial antioxidants in a nice hydrating formula for almost $8. That's not bad. And then the it factor, I was a little bit torn on this. The only reason I'm not giving it the it factor is due to the fact that skin needs exposure to many other ingredients, antioxidants, peptides, vitamins, minerals. You know that. Although The Ordinary has a great kind of theme behind it, which is you're kind of the chemist. You kind of create your own routine. You pick and choose which antioxidants and beneficial ingredients you need and kind of create your own routine. So obviously if you shop from The Ordinary at all, you know, you kind of create a custom routine and you pick from their line. So this one doesn't include everything you need, but you can definitely create a well-rounded line from their other products. So yeah, so definitely this one serum can't do everything for your skin, but this can be a great addition and certainly help your skin look and feel better and younger. So overall, I gave this a 9 out of 10 on the Sarah score scale, which is still pretty darn good. The Ordinary is doing pretty good. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have tried this one. I know a lot of you guys have because a lot of you guys have mentioned it to me, how much you like it or what you didn't like about it. So anyway, definitely leave your thoughts and comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Check out nobsbeauty.com. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow.